Took me forever to find the restroom, but here's my outfit of the day. Aritzia Winston vest, Ascendant pants, my New Balance Lululemon belt bag, all the same Majuri jewelry, except I put the serpentine necklace on. I have picked up my Gucci in my Majuri bag. Let's take a look around, shall we? Okay, I got a coffee and I'm at the Aritzia here. They don't have that set I was looking for. They also looked for it and they can't find it. So I'm guessing it's just off the website completely. But I thought I'd come in here to take a browse because they usually have a lot more things than obviously STC it is. Like, look at this thing, so cute. So cute. Sorry, I'm using my phone right now. This little sweater, so darling. I need the name. Can you see it? There we go. I literally just sent this to Alex because look how it's so her. These pants that I got last year in the brown are back. They have this version now, which if you guys remember, I said my divinity, my #1 complaint is that there's no shelf bra. There's a shelf bra and there's also pockets. So this is it. This is super cute. Wait, I gotta get it out. Also, the guy that's at A-OK is so sweet. Now I'm checking out Aloe because it just opened. Love this purple. So cute. Okay, I'm now at HomeSense. I saw some girl walk out with that TikTok ghost blanket. I just wanted to see it, but I think she bought it and there's none left. They just have these skull ones. Oh, I don't really like that. I think she bought the last one. I've never seen it in person. I really wanted to see it in person, but I like the multicolored ghosts. Those are cute to me. Oh, what's that? Oh, I thought they were little things. No, nothing. I think she bought it. Love this, and it's only $150. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm home now, but you guys saw I went to go pick up my bag from Gucci. So my Jackie actually had some tarnishing on the clasp and they replaced the whole thing for me. It's brand new now, and this was also coming undone, so they fixed that up for me as well, which is really nice. It looks brand spanking new. I literally have looked at this to see if anything's happened to it because I have such bad taste in my mouth from Louis Vuitton always butchering my bags and my items. So it looks like it's fine. My strap looks like it's fine too. I think they fixed everything. So I think everything is good. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everything is good. I know the Jackie now comes with the crossbody attachment that has like the crossbody on the side. Personally, I just like it looking like this. I think it looks the best like this. And I'm really happy to have my Jackie bag back because there's so many instances this summer that I was thinking I could wear it and then I just didn't have the bag. So I'm excited to have my bag back because I'm pretty sure this is like my only black handbag with gold hardware. Everything else of mine that's black has like silver hardware or like ruthenium hardware. So there were so many instances where I wanted to use this little baby, but I'm excited to have it back because I just love this bag so much. They actually replaced everything for me for free, so everything was complimentary. That was so nice of them. It did take a long time, and I did follow up because I was like, it's been past 7 weeks, but they were really nice. Everything was nice. They were like, do you want a bag? And I was like, no, I'm just gonna throw it in my Majuri bag. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I also did stop by Lisa Goslin. I got this bracelet from Dee. So Dee like gifted me this bracelet, and Lisa Goslin is known for her like happy face line. I really love it. It makes me so happy to see these little smiley faces. So when I saw that she released this 3rd year anniversary bracelet, I was like, oh my god, I need to order it. So I did order it and I got it yesterday, and one of my happy faces has like a crack on it, and it wasn't cheap. Like this bracelet for what it was like $150. So there it is. I don't know if you can see. There's like a little mark there, and I just know it's gonna chip. I just know it. I went in store, I asked them if I could get it replaced, and because this was limited edition, they don't have any more to swap out for me, so I had to email customer care. I feel like this one bead can be replaced because they sell them like this. So I think that one bead can replace. So if they can replace that one bead, I'll be happy for them to do it and keep the bracelet. But yeah, they're just like elasticated on the inside, so I feel like they can undo it. They'll be able to undo it. So this is where it ties together. They can undo it, and then they can just get to that bead and replace it, hopefully. Because this isn't solid gold jewelry, it's still technically, in my opinion, costume because it is plated. I think it's vermeil plated or something like that. Right, so I'll keep you guys updated on what they do for me there, but I really want to keep it because I love this happy face bracelet. I just love how it's like every one of their beads all together, and then they have this special bead that's a 3. Like, this is my favorite bead. So the 3, this bead, oh, I love that so much because it's my favorite number in the world. Anyways, I will keep you guys posted. It came with a little dust bag, so I'm gonna keep it in there. I haven't worn it yet because I've been scared and I don't know what's gonna happen with it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!